Hi, in this video I will give you a brief overview of the prospecting tool in GoHighLevel. I want to point out in advance that you shouldn't be surprised if German results are displayed, as I am currently in Germany. It works the same way for you too. In this case, we are exceptionally not in our SAP account, but in our agency account. The prospecting feature is designed to easily identify businesses in your vicinity that need your support. And you do this from the agency account because when you find a potential client, you create them as a sub account using the agency account. Here you have a blank page and can directly click on Add a Prospect. Then you automatically have this map. It all looks a lot like Google Maps. For testing, we enter roofers near me. You then see several pages with several businesses. For example, we have the roofer Berninger here. At first glance, you can see the Google ratings of the respective company. The second one only has 4 stars or 4.2. We could help here. The fourth looks good at first because it has 5 stars, but there are only 2 reviews. The fifth is even just 1 review. They could also use our support very well. Then you see whether a Google My Business account has been created, and in the right column you see whether the company's website was created with WordPress. All of this over several pages. And if we now select this one as an example, we can simply click on it and see the stored data directly. The next step would be Save Prospect. About 1 or 2 minutes later, we have created the complete report for the company. This professional report doesn't cost us an extra cent and is a perfect way to start a conversation with potential customers. You could now share the entire report here and send it by email, for example, or download it as a PDF file on the right. I'm downloading it now. In the meantime, let's take a look at the whole thing. We have an overview of its complete findability on the internet. Next, we see that the Google My Business account has not yet been stored. You can help the customer a lot with this. Many customers don't even know how much sales they are missing out on if they are not correctly registered with Google. Logically, this customer is then also shown that no callable phone number has been stored and that no WordPress page is used. In this case, I would now check whether the company has a website at all or a poorly optimized website, as we can create one of the best websites with GoHighLevel. Then we have the listings again, which are shown in more detail below, as well as the rating overview. Google ratings with 5 and 4 stars are perhaps still okay, but 3 stars are not good. There are also far too few reviews. This program is currently still looking for Facebook reviews. Here we have the individual reviews displayed and then all the listings in which the company could be displayed. What you do with this report is up to you, but if you show the customer where there are deficits based on a professional report like this one and tell him that you can take care of it for him, this is already a huge help. We have now created one customer, but you can create a lot of customers in the prospecting feature. Now, let's take another look at the PDF file that I just downloaded. This is what it looks like, multi-page and well structured in terms of color. My sample customer is probably not the best because he is missing a lot, but maybe I will change it in the next few days. It is very important to me to say again that we can use the Google rating overview to recommend high-level reputation management. It's a great thing that is easy to sell, especially to a customer who needs it as much as this one. We should also suggest to the customer that he absolutely needs a Google My Business account, as his competitors are probably already making a lot more sales because they have a Google My Business account. If we install this account for him, we can also offer him the missed call text back feature at the same time. This is extremely important for many customers. If this roofer now receives a call but cannot answer the phone at the moment, the customer calls the next roofer and the sales are gone. With missed call text back, you still keep the customer with an automatically sent message. One last option I absolutely have to tell you about, as it is very easy to sell but give the customer a huge added value. If the customer now has a WordPress website, we can offer him hosting, and it is extremely easy to install a chat widget for the customer on WordPress pages. As always, there are endless possibilities. The important thing is that you use this report because it can be a great help for you in many ways.